special unboxing today because
look at him.
Hudson's ready.
He's like, hi, Ma.
We got sent this beautiful box of surprises. I did the dangerous unboxing from our wonderful channel supporter, Vincent Padula.
Vincent. Nice job.
Hudson,
Fantastic.
Vincent said there's stuff in here for you. What do you think?
Does he get
my God.
Hudson gets a treat.
I've already spotted something for Hudson. Hudson gets a treat. Of course he gets a treat this time.
Yes.
This says, for Hudson,
the Hudson.
The Pizza King.
Oh, he's the king. All hail.
The Pizza King.
All hail the Pizza King.
Oh, look, there's a little heart.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you for shopping
look at a little card.
Style paws, handmade and organic.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh my God.
Man, look at that.
Oh, look at it. He doesn't even have a collar on, so it's perfect. It's a pizza collar.
It's a... Let me see. Wait.
Wait, can I put it on him?
Yeah, and then I'll come over. No, put him on him. And I'm going to come over and show it close up. Oh, look at it.
Wow, I didn't even adjust it, and it fits perfectly.
Fantastic. Vincent had it pre-measured.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, man, look at all the little slices of pizza. Oh, it's
it looks
great.
Adorable.
Oh, man.
Wait, there's more. There's more. Look at this.
Oh, it's a
wait.
It's a little bow tie.
It's a bow tie. I have to take this off and put the bow tie on it. Wait a minute. Oh my God.
Huds, up.
Wait, I'm going to put it back on him.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it back on him.
Yeah, let's get it back. Look at it. Show the bow tie. Up close.
Pizza King.
Oh, man.
Come here, Pizza King. Come here.
Pizza King. It has to go under his chin. Huds,
you know what?
up.
You know what he wants? He spotted something else in the box.
Huds, up.
Hudson, come.
Up. Huds, up.
Here, give me a little treat to coax him.
Look at him. Hudson's confused.
Hudson, up.
Vincent, fantastic job. Look at it.
Guys, are you ready? I'm going to give him a little treat. Oh, look at this.
Ooh, dapper dog. Dapper Huds. Oh, he likes it. Look at him.
Can you see the bow tie?
I see it. Of course I do.
The bow tie?
Yeah, put it right under his chin. Yeah.
I have to loosen it
a little bit slightly, but it fits perfect, Vincent.
Look at that.
Oh, fantastic job.
Perfect, Vincent.
Yeah, look at him. Let me show up close. Huds, let's see your bow tie. Let me come around. Oh, it looks fantastic.
Extra good. Now, this is a card that says, to James and Karla. Then there's a James card, and then there's a to Hudson the King. So let's
open Hudson the King. All hail.
Hudson the King. All hail. Hudson the King.
Oh, man, Huds.
Let me put his paw over here.
Yeah, Huds. He's excited.
You know what, the cover's all
let me
up.
pause it.
Okay, to Hudson the King. Here we go.
Look at him.
I know. He's like, yeah, that's me. Happy birthday! Oh, because he's going to be 12. Look at this.
Oh, man, Vincent.
Vincent.
Oh, look at
He's going to
it.
be 12 years old soon.
12-year-old.
3 birthday gifts coming already. To my good buddy and friend, the Hudster. May you have many more healthy and happy more dog years of doggy happy birthdays from your good friend, Vincent Padula. You will always be my king. Hope you're stoked for your birthday this year because being 12 is a blast. And a boy like you deserves to have a year that's really awesome. Happy 12th birthday.
Oh, Vincent, that's
Hudson,
a fantastic job. In it goes. Nice little 12-year-old Hudson.
So, before there's another, you've probably already seen it.
I see it.
What the next thing for Hudson is. He's seen it already.
Look, he's going for it. Oh, just give it to him. It's a pizza pie.
It's a squeaker slice.
Squeaker slice.
Barked oven fresh for dogs. We care about the safety of your pet. Remove all the plastic tags before playing. I will. I'll remove
plastic
all the
tags.
Listen, it crinkles.
Oh, it's a pizza
pie.
He's the pizza king. You know that.
Oh, he loves it. We're going to play down the hall in a minute.
Yeah.
But Hudson,
put it on the table here.
Would it be okay if we could set this aside for a second?
Here, I'll put it over here.
Okay.
Oh my God, look at it. It's like a margarita pie.
Yeah, it is. So now this one says for James.
Okay.
Let's do that next.
Uh-oh. Look at Huds. He's like, what is this?
With his pizza, his special
Pizza bow tie and collar. Yeah.
It's your birthday. It's
Go,
your birthday.
Shorty.
So belated birthday to James.
Oh, nice.
It's your birthday, so smile
What cute
big
cards.
and say cheese. Look at the Polaroid camera. And
I
the
see
cheese.
it. I see it.
I love it. To jacked up James.
Yeah.
May you have many more birthdays, healthy and happy. From one car fanatic to another.
Nice.
Vincent.
Oh, you know it.
From your good friend and fan, Vincent Padula. And it says, it's your birthday, so smile big and say cheese. Could never picture this life without a great friend like you. Happy birthday.
Nice. It's an extra piece of cheese on the beach.
Exactly.
It is. Look at how awesome that is. Oh, man. Vincent. Fantastic. Polaroid.
This is what James.
Oh, how awesome is that?
Champions.
Oh, my God.
Ferrari. Wait a minute. I'm gonna take
Ferrari?
The Ferrari. I'm going to take this piece of tape.
Oh,
off so
man.
they
I
can see it.
love those.
The Ferrari.
Oh, Vincent. Fantastic job.
Hold on.
Let me show it. Let me show it.
Ferrari 812.
Oh, look at that, guys. Ferrari 812. Lego. The Speed Champion. Look at how cool that profile
How many
is.
pieces? Let me see.
This is, yeah, you'll probably, 261.
261
Oh, we
pieces.
got to do that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man, the car collection of Lego.
And it's like, think of the red.
Oh, yeah.
It's very, pizza-like, too.
Pizza-like, too. Red, you got the yellow stripe for Hudson. Oh, it's fantastic.
Thank you, Vincent. This is going to be a lot of fun.
Oh,
Yes,
man,
got
the
yellow
Ferrari.
pizza
Look,
stripe.
in the boxes, I bet that's Monaco.
Oh, yes. Oh, it is. It is. That's the Monaco, that special
Yeah,
course,
that
right?
track. Yeah, the Formula One course.
Oh.
Fantastic
Yeah, 'cause
job.
it's
Let me show the box.
It's a competition
I love it.
Ferrari.
Oh, that is great. Look at the diffuser on the back.
It's a competition Ferrari.
Oh, man. Very cool. Very cool, Vincent.
Now,
Oh, I can't wait to build that.
This is a card that says to James and Karla.
James
so
and Karla.
Let's see what this one says.
Here we go.
We got
Hudson's
another
right here.
card,
I'm going to throw Hudson a treat. Here we go. Going in.
Of course, you got it. Oh, this is perfect for a special friend on Valentine's Day because Wednesday is Valentine's Day. Oh, I love the card.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the flowers.
That's really pretty. Yeah, nice.
It's like a pop-up flower.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Oh, beautiful.
Awesome.
Even Hudson smelling the flower.
Yeah.
To James and Karla, to great friends, just like gardens always flourish when they're given love and light, and flowers can make any room more beautiful and bright. You make the people around you happier and brighter too, because life is so much better with a wonderful friend like you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, fantastic.
From a good friend, Vincent Padula. Oh,
Vincent, nice job.
That's
a fantastic, that's a pretty card.
Beautiful
Yeah,
card.
really nice.
Extra good.
Extra good.
And wait a minute. This it says to Karla.
Ah, nice.
It's a sea turtle tracker bracelet.
Oh,
I have
cool.
A sea turtle adopted in my name.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
We got a whole gang of them.
Oh my God, because we have Splash.
Yeah.
Right? We're
Yeah,
following Splash's adventures.
Yeah.
Each bracelet comes with a sea turtle to track on your phone. Oh, I can't wait to see who this one is.
Yeah, we're going to look it up.
Yes, we'll look it up. And
Oh, let me show it up close. That is cool.
I'll add that. We're already tracking Splash.
That is beautiful.
Let me put the bracelet
Yeah, it's
on.
to follow.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Let me put the bracelet
Yeah.
on.
Oh, man, Vincent. Loving it.
Wait, does it say which turtle? Maybe inside it'll say the turtle's name.
Yeah.
Each
Nice.
turtle bracelet say tear here to see what animal. Yes.
Let's see his name. Her name. Look at Hudson. He's like, turtle. Yeah. Look at Hudson. He's like, Hudson.
Meet your turtle. Start tracking the turtle. I have to do the It
Scan.
doesn't say the name until I do the tracker on the phone.
Gotcha,
Right
yeah.
now you're using the phone.
Yeah.
So we'll track it.
And
once
it's like
we
you
finish
scan the
video.
thing. Hudson.
Another treat for Hudson. Oh, Vincent, I
love it.
I
Love
love
it.
it. And wait, I found. Should I do this? There's
Yeah,
one
for
more. I
Karla.
think there's one more gift for Hudson.
The big boy.
But this one
The
says
Pizza King.
for Karla. So
Oh,
I'm gonna move this box over
Yeah,
on the
move
side.
that to the
There's
side.
still something for Hudson
Yep.
inside of it. So
Still
it's not
something
like
for the Hudson.
I'm not forgetting about it.
Andy's
So
got
let's-
his,
Right.
it squeaks the pizza.
Uh-oh, here's styrofoam.
Hud's pizza.
Hold on, I don't want Hudson to eat the styrofoam. Okay.
Huh?
Okay, Hudson. I know the styrofoam.
Karla's got a grip on it. Look at Hudson. He's like, oh. Huds, you look handsome in your bow tie.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
What is-
Oh, I have to be careful. I have to be careful.
Ah! It's a sea turtle!
It's a
Oh,
ceramic.
man.
It's ceramic. I don't know.
Oh, look at
It
how
looks
beautiful that
delicate.
is.
It is ceramic.
Oh my God, how beautiful is that? Let me get it on. Oh my God, look at it. That's just like the one you saw. Look at Hudson, loves it.
Oh my God, it's like the green sea turtle that I saw snorkeling. Sorry, I have
Vincent,
a little
that is
styrofoam
beautiful.
on me.
No.
And Hudson loves it too.
Oh, Vincent.
Oh, Vincent, I love it. Let me put it down because
Yeah,
I
I
don't
want
want
to
to
show
drop
it.
it.
Yeah, I want to show it. I don't
That's
wanna...
just a,
Yeah, styrofoam.
That's just a styrofoam.
Yeah, static on there. Yep. Oh, man. Guys, look at how cool that is. Vincent, that is beautiful. Yeah, there's just a piece of styrofoam static cling to the back.
Yeah,
Look
here,
at how
hold
pretty
on.
it is.
There, I
Oh,
got
man.
it. See, it stands up.
Karla, that is beautiful.
See how it stands
Yeah.
up? It's adorable, right?
Yeah, it looks
I love
awesome.
it, Vincent, and I love the bracelet. They're perfect, absolutely perfect.
Just beautiful.
Extra
Yeah,
good.
like-
Now,
Oh, one more for the king.
One more gift for Hudson.
For his grace. What is that? Look at him.
It's a pizza neckerchief.
It's a pizza now. Look at this. He's fully outfitted. Thanks. Oh, Vincent. Fantastic job.
Oh my God. Hold on, let me get it the perfect
Oh,
the
man.
perfect direction.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, Vincent. Just so great.
Look at that.
Look at him. He's got the collar, the
He's
boat.
fully outfitted.
Oh, man.
He's fully outfitted. Oh my God.
Pumped up. Look at him. He looks beautiful.
Yeah, I want to tie it all cute because I want, well, when we play down the hall, he's going to have his new
Yeah.
pizza out.
And here's another treat, Huds. Boop. Let's
Oh
go
my
down the
God.
hall.
So let's go down the hall. Oh, perfect, Vincent. Okay, ready to go down the hall?
Oh, Huds.
It squeaks.
Look at his
and
bow
crinkles.
tie.
Yeah, I put it in the front. So you
Oh,
wouldn't
here he
see it.
goes. He's on. Look at him throw it.
Oh my God.
He just knocked the camera. Throw it again.
I
Oh.
lost it. Oh my God.
He booped the camera. He booped it.
Can you catch it like a frisbee, you think?
Yeah. Huds, catch.
Let me try.
Oh, sure. Throw it
Try it
down.
one more time.
Yeah.
Throw it down the hall.
Yeah.
Go get it, Huds. Go get it.
Oh, go get it.
Oh, he pounced. He pounced. Look at him.
Oh,
my
Vincent.
God. Vincent.
Oh, fantastic
So
job.
perfect. He loves it. Pizza. And he can play with it on his pizza blanket. Oh, so perfect. Oh my
Perfect.
God. Vincent, thank you so much. It's so sweet.
Oh.
One more time for Hudson.
Yeah,
Go home.
fantastic job.
Come on, Hudson.
I'm sorry if I'm making you dizzy, everybody. Huds, he's in the treats.
Come here.
It's mayhem.
Mayhem.
Oh, Huds. Look at him.
Look at him go.
Here, see if he'll catch it. Huds.
Oh, he almost caught it.
Oh, Huds, get your pizza.
He wants to catch it. He wants me to play with him. You ready? Can everyone see this way?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Huds.
Let me come perfect over here.
Huds.
I'll just toss it.
Yeah. Look at him. Oh, Vincent, fantastic
Made
job.
Hudson's day.
Oh,
Oh, Pizza Boy, you're the best.
Vincent, thanks so much.
Vincent.
Fantastic job.